The DJI OSMO Pocket 3 captures fantastic quality video thanks to that 1-inch sensor, although if you're looking to take your video filming to the next level with a more cinematic look and feel, then you'll want to explore some filter solutions, and thanks to Freewell, they don't come much better than these. Available in various configurations providing the ability to purchase only the filters you need, here we have the Mega Pack, for those who are really serious about their filmmaking. Along with a polishing cloth and some general information, the filters come complete in this hard shell carry case, very handy considering the small size of the filters within. These sit on a soft rubberized finished pad so as to provide some protection and sit in place within their designated area rather well thanks to the magnetic base that holds onto the filter when it's in storage. Considering the size of these, that's a very handy touch. So in this mega pack we have all the filters we'd possibly ever need for the Pocket 3. ND filters ranging from ND8 all the way through to ND256 in doubling increments, as well as an ND1000 filter for those super long exposure shots, allowing you to slow the shutter speed right down and smooth skies and water out really well. If you want to add some polarization and reduce glare effects on your footage, the pack contains a circular polarizer filter which should do just the job, with a rotatable dial providing the ability to set your own level of polarization, while a small marker ensuring you can easily get to the optimal position. Considering these filters are not stackable, we receive various ND polarizer filters, mixing the effects, again in a range of ND levels and all with adjustable polarity too. In essence, these all help regulate light intake, enhancing exposure and polarization for more enriched colors, heightened contrasts, and sharper details in your projects. Finally, to sweeten the deal, we have a snow mist filter for those super bright white conditions, as well as a light pollution reduction filter, which helps counteract the drawbacks of artificial light, unlocking additional creative avenues. All in all, the kit pretty much covers all shooting scenarios. Physically attaching filters to the Pocket 3 is super easy thanks to the magnetic lens surround. Simply snap a filter into place and you're ready to shoot. The filter stays in place pretty well, and considering this is a camera designed primarily for handheld use and shouldn't really be subject to the extreme vibrations an action camera typically would, I see no issues with the filters working its way loose. They're incredibly lightweight too, resulting in no adverse effects on the gimbal itself, as well as resistant to dust, scratches, and water, even though the Pocket 3 is not water resistant, mind, and with a colour neutral coating, they help preserve the natural colours of your scenes. With the high quality we've come to expect from Freewell, the OSMO Pocket 3 filter sets certainly complement the Pocket nicely and are a must-have for any serious shooter. They will help your footage maintain its sharpness, but with better colour and fewer reflections, thanks to the rotating bezel providing the ability to dial in your polarization just where you need it, and it all works wonderfully well. If you're serious about shooting with the OSMO Pocket 3, packed in a handy carry case and producing no ill effects on gimbal operation, the Freewell filters are certainly worth a look.